Hi, this video is the video before and after on a patient who have had a hair transplant done by me, Dr. John Diep, in January 2010. It's been a year. Now we have a follow-up. He has an excellent result, and this is him before. You can see he's completely very thin in the front toward the back, and we did this one, and I believe we did 1900 grafts trying to restore the front toward the middle and some in the back. And this is before and after. Now, before we can go further, you can go on my website, MHTAclinic.com, 866-999-6482. And him right now, see, he has a nice happy smile. Great, excellent. And this is him before. And let me go over real quick this before he's very thin, and now he has excellent hair result, very natural. After, before right, after right, before left, after left, and before and the frontal, after frontal. Okay, and this is before and after. Again, so my friend here, Ariel, he's gonna explain to us how his experience. So go ahead, Ariel. Why don't you start?
Well, first of all, I did made a research online what exactly hair transplant is, and when I visited some websites, and it tells me this, it tells me that, and the prices are very, very expensive. And then I found Dr. John Diep in Los Gatos. The reason why I choose him because he gave me a good price, and he was the lowest price I found online. And based on my experience, before the surgery, I was pretty nervous as well, and nerve-wracking at the same time. And then Dr. John Diep, I trusted him. So when we did the procedure, it was pretty painless actually, and after the surgery, I can even manage to go home by myself, drive by myself, and then the next day I went to work right away, and it was pretty amazing experience with him. The day after of the surgery was I didn't really feel anything, except I just can't wait for the result. But you know, I have to wait for a couple months to get the result. And the recovery time, I would say it was just pretty nothing. Like, I didn't feel anything except the way I laid on my bed when sleeping time. Like, I had to be very, very careful. And after the like couple months later, I've noticed that there's some hairs coming up actually, and then I was pretty happy. And then I waited and waited for more. Now it's been a year, and my hair totally came back, and it's my own hair. And right now I feel more a lot of confidence right now, and it does really work. And I now going to salon for haircut, just for trim, and I'm very, very, very happy about the result.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you very much, Ariel, for allowing me to show the audience that, you know, hair transplant really works, and that you don't have to go on life feeling sorry for yourself. And some people feel depressed and, you know, low self-esteem with going bald. Some people consider wigs or toupee or hairpiece, but you know, those stuff are not real, and they look very artificial. And when you walk down the street, people might notice, and you can feel conscious about it. And then what if on a windy day and it blow and fall off? I mean, this is, you know, it has a lot of drawback, and on top of it, it's not permanent. and so you need to maintain it. So monthly it can cost from $500 to $1,000. So some companies start out say $500, but you think it's cheaper than hair transplant, but those are really ugly piece of hair wigs or toupee. But then the really good quality one is $1,800 per month. Now if you can time that for a year, guess how much? I mean, it's ridiculous price. And it's not your hair. Here, hair is, that's his hair. I'm not creating new hair. All I did was just taking the hair from the back of his head and put it in the front in a specific pattern. It's like an art to it. You need to pay attention to meticulous detail to ensure a natural result. And like for Ariel here, he walked down the street. No one know he has, he had it done. So the only person here know is him. And me, of course, and God, and whoever he tells, and and that's his hair. It grows. He had to cut it. He can perm it. He can dye it. He can trim any way he wanted. Now let me go closer and focus on his hairline, and let me show you. That's all the transplanted hair. It's all very real. It's natural, and we run through it, and you can see. Now when you go closer, you see. This is all natural hairline. Now, my 7 rule for natural hair. You have established the ultra refined follicular unit transplant. You go the ethnic hairline. So his hairline is appropriate for Asian. Okay, and then you go zigzag line. Okay, and in the front you have like outlier 1 or 2 single hair graft in the front, and then the single hair graft in the front followed by 2 or 3 hair grafts in the back to add bulk and volume. And the angle is very important, and the randomness placement. So for him, going from this or this, you can see the before and after to this. It's amazing, and I want the audience to know that hair transplant works. And if you want to go to my website, mhtaclinic.com, 866-999-6482, you can have the same result as Ariel. And we did only 1,900 grafts. Thank you.
Very natural.
Very natural.
Yeah, natural look. Thank you.
Thank you, Ariel.